Here we are. Gotta change this out. So there's the pipe. I gotta twist it on here. You gotta always install these. That way, when you put it in, I'm gonna do it nice and tight. Put it in. Get twisting on it. Yeah. Yep. Alright, shoot. Now we got it. Here we go. Nice and tight. There it is. And you put this in there. And that's it. I think that we're ready to go. Nice and fast. Right, it's good, it's working. Thanks everybody for watching. Took about 3 minutes. Didn't take too long to install. That way you guys know. This right here lowers the water to the drip. Need that, otherwise you'll bust a couple of valves. Thanks for watching.